VW T6.
Life's funny like that.
Some great sound. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're upgrading this VW T6. However, all of the equipment that actually is going into this car now has actually already been installed. We installed this into our client's car many years back. He's now changed over vehicles, so we've taken it all out and now moving it into his new T6. In today's video, we'll actually sit down, relax and enjoy the system when it's all done. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go. So with the install complete, hopefully you've enjoyed that section of the video where we showcase behind the scenes about what actually goes on about installing a custom sound system. Now it's time to sit back, relax and enjoy some great sound. So the install is complete. We've got the two-way front end here. We've got the Horningsea Power 4 providing a hell of a lot of power, all integrated into the factory system. So grab your headphones and enjoy.
But it's in a second.
So different already.
But it won't mean anything at all. But that's not your fault. Life's funny like that. You lose one thing, get another one back. You thought you knew, but it wasn't a fact. Known them your whole life, but it was all a net. There's no meaning, but like in the best of ways, you could go 100 days without.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa.
So there's no sub in this car, but it still has a lot of punch, a lot of power.
Yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that going. Then she took the thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Took the thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah.
So yeah, obviously as you've heard there, kind of overall thoughts on this system. Every system's very, very different. Every vehicle's different, every client's different, every spec's different. But personal opinion, it could do with designated sub, and we normally put them underneath the seats on these so everything is a stock look. But yeah, I mean, for what it is, for no designated sub in the vehicle, a massive, massive difference. The clarity you've now got there, the volume is massively enhanced. But yeah, just overall sound stage sounds very nice. Obviously, the system doesn't have a processor. However, the system has been moved from our client's previous car and over to this one. And you can always upgrade at that point. You can always take speakers away. You can do all sorts of different stuff. And that is the real kind of blessing of having an audio upgrade done here, is the fact that you can just move it from car to car exactly like this client has. So it doesn't matter how long you keep your vehicle for, whether it be a couple of years, 5 years, whatever it is, your product has a full lifetime warranty. Install sounds absolutely incredible. Overall, I'm really happy with the final results, and again, we have a repeat customer that I'm sure is going to absolutely love his new vehicle with his new sound system installed. So thank you again for watching, guys. If you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button, head over to our other social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, you name it, we're absolutely everywhere, so make sure you go check that out. But everything you need to get in contact with us is in the description below. Thank you once again for watching.
Your presence here is always greatly appreciated.
I'll see you on the next one.